Hi everyone, it's Valerie Sims here with Profit with PDFs. And today I'd like to show you how I created this little animated logo on my website. Now I'm in Kajabi. I'm not sure if this works for WordPress, but let's take a look. Now I created it in Canva, canva.com. I added this little element here and just used my fonts and to create the Profit with PDFs. Now what you'll do is you'll head up here to animate, and over here on the Pro version it will give you different options to choose from. Do you see what's happening? It's so cool. Now I wouldn't do this on all the pages of my website, but certainly the fun ones like the blog. Alright, let's pick one. And download it. Now, because I'm on Kajabi, the size required is 360 by 80. So I'm going to download. I don't want an MP4. I'm going to do this as a GIF, GIF. So come on down here. Do you see this? GIF, and then I'm going to choose just the first page and click done. Download that. And when it downloads, I'm going to upload it into my website. Let's bring that over to the side. All right, I'm going to click on this so you can see it. And right here where it says select image, notice that I'm not going to upload it as a video. I'm uploading it under the logo text as an image, even though it's a GIF. All right, there you go. Now I have this set to 175. You can toggle with this a little bit and adjust it. Okay, and now I'm going to click save and see how that looks. Isn't it a cool feature? Let's open a new window. Do you see it there? Give this a try. Let me know how you like it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Head on over to profitwithpdfs.com for even more freebies and helpful lessons. Bye for now.